Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the limits on Poppy bank accounts. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I'm glad to finally be able to answer it for you. But before we get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about why it's important to understand the limits on your bank account. Why is it important to understand the limits on your bank account? There are a few reasons why it's important to understand the limits on your bank account. First, it can help you avoid overdraft fees. Overdraft fees are the fees that your bank charges you if you try to spend more money than you have in your account. Second, it can help you avoid bounced checks. Bounced checks are checks that are returned to the sender because there isn't enough money in the account to cover them. Third, it can help you avoid late fees on bills. If you don't have enough money in your account to pay your bills on time, you may be charged a late fee. Finally, understanding the limits on your bank account can help you make better financial decisions overall. What are the limits on Poppy bank accounts? Now that we've talked about why it's important to understand the limits on your bank account, let's get into the specifics. There are a few different types of limits on Poppy bank accounts. These include daily withdrawal limits, monthly withdrawal limits, transfer limits, overdraft limits. Daily withdrawal limits. The daily withdrawal limit is the maximum amount of money that you can withdraw from your Poppy bank account in a single day. The daily withdrawal limit for Poppy bank accounts is $5,000. Monthly withdrawal limits. The monthly withdrawal limit is the maximum amount of money that you can withdraw from your Poppy bank account in a single month. The monthly withdrawal limit for Poppy bank accounts is $25,000. Transfer limits. The transfer limit is the maximum amount of money that you can transfer to or from your Poppy bank account in a single transaction. The transfer limit for Poppy bank accounts is $10,000. Overdraft limits. The overdraft limit is the maximum amount of money that your bank will allow you to overdraw your account. The overdraft limit for Poppy bank accounts is $500. How can I increase my limits? If you need to increase your limits, you can contact Poppy Bank customer service. What are the consequences of exceeding my limits? If you exceed your limits, you may be charged fees. You may also be denied service. It's important to understand the limits on your Poppy Bank account. This will help you avoid overdraft fees, bounced checks, and late fees. It will also help you make better financial decisions overall. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for managing your Poppy bank account. Monitor your account regularly. This will help you track your spending and make sure that you don't exceed your limits. Set up automatic payments for your bills. This will help you avoid late fees. Use a budgeting app. This can help you track your spending and save money. Consider getting a credit card. This can give you more flexibility when making purchases. Shop around for the best interest rates. This can help you save money on interest. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another video. Thanks for watching. I'm glad you took the time to learn about the limits on Poppy bank accounts. I hope this information will help you make better financial decisions. See you next time.